Hello friends, welcome to Guess Me Quizzes. Quiz most dangerous animal and insect in the world. When, which is the dangerous insect in the world? Options. First option, mosquito. Second option, cockroach. Third option, housefly. Fourth option, ant. Answer is mosquito. Second one, which is the world's most dangerous bird? Options. First option, vulture bird. Second option, cassowary bird. Third option, eagle bird. Fourth option, woodpecker. Answer is cassowary bird. Third one, which is the most poisonous snake in the world? Options. First option, python. Second option, black mamba. Third option, cobra. Fourth option, inland taipan snake. Answer is inland taipan snake. Fourth one, which is the most poisonous fish in the world? Options. First option, eelfish. Second option, dolphin fish. Third option, pufferfish. Fourth option, sharkfish. Answer is pufferfish. Fifth one, which animal kills the most of the humans in the world? Options. First option, tiger. Second option, elephant. Third option, mosquito. Fourth option, snake. Answer is mosquito. Sixth one, what is the most dangerous land animal in the world? Options. First option, hippopotamus. Second option, tiger. Third option, elephant. Fourth option, lion. Answer is hippopotamus. Seventh one, what is the cutest animal in the world? Options. First option, cat. Second option, penguin. Third option, red panda. Fourth option, dog. Answer is red panda. Eighth one, what is the most poisonous lizard in the world? Option. First option, Gila monster. Second option, Godzilla. Third option, Rex. Fourth option, Luna. Answer is Gila monster. Which is the dangerous dog in the world? Options. First option, Doberman dog. Second option, Boxers dog. Third option, Siberian Huskies. Fourth option, Pit Bull dog. Answer is Pit Bull dog. Tenth one, which is the dangerous cat in the world? Options. First option, Jaguar. Second option, Lion. Third option, Leopard. Fourth option, Tiger. Answer is tiger. 11th one, which animal is friendly in human? Options. First option, dolphin. Second option, dog. Third option, cat. Fourth option, bird. Answer is dolphin. 12th one, which mammal is the biggest killer of the human? Options. First option, horse. Second option, elephant. Third option, bears. Fourth option, hippopotamus. Answer is hippopotamus. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.